Part 1. The hook and the problem. You just finished your 2025 tax return and the number at the bottom is a nightmare. You owe thousands, and you don't have it. Your first instinct is to panic, or worse, to ignore it. Don't. The IRS is understaffed and backlogged, which actually gives you the upper hand if you know the right paperwork to file before they come looking for you. Part 2. The lien protection. First, the good news. Under the current Fresh Start rules, the IRS generally won't file a federal tax lien against your property unless you owe more than $10,000. If you're under that number, you have breathing room. But even if you owe $50,000, there is a way to stop the notice of intent to left. That's the one where they take your paycheck or bank account. Part 3. The math and the hack. The hack isn't a secret loophole. It's a specific setup called a streamlined installment agreement. If you owe under $50,000, you can qualify for this without showing the IRS your bank statements. Here's the math. Take your total debt and divide it by 2, that is your minimum monthly payment. If you owe $5,000, that's about $70 a month. By proposing this via Form 9-4-6-5, you essentially lock your account. Part 4. Pro tip and CTA. Now, here is the pro tip. Instead of a bank debit, request a payroll deduction agreement using Form 20-1-50-9. When the money comes out of your check before you see it, you never feel the pain of the payment. Stop searching for tax debt relief companies that charge $3,000 for this. Go to irs.gov and use the 72-month rule. If these videos are helpful, pushing subscribe is appreciated. Also, feel free to let me know in the comments section what video would be helpful to you. Hope you enjoy your day.